Okay, and then we have really special BMW with innovation, and we need again bigger Torx bolt what fits in here. And this is like some German engineers like Kurt Müller's innovation, that we need plastic bolt in here and then that size of Torx bolt. And it keeps this radiator well in place. It is good keeping, and there is two of these plastic screws, and of course when this is German car, in that area there is different size of bolt. It is better when we have German car that there is two different size of bolts. In Toyota cars there is only one size, but when we have German car they have to be unique things, and then this car is even better. And let's go to take next part away.